Hello, my name's Lance and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to open up a service request in SalesForce. So from your main page, you can go, or from any page, you can go to your app launcher, which is in the top left corner. We're going to want to go to our service management window. So if we type that here, you'll see that it comes up as an app. But if you don't see what you're looking for, you can also do View All. View All, we'll go under Service Management. And once this loads, you see you have service request here in blue, kind of in the middle of the page. We click there to open up a new service request. And once that opens, any information that is required, you'll see the red star beside. So we'll start off with our customer. And I created a training customer here. But if you start typing your customer name, you have an option here for more results. You can click there, and it gives you a list of customers to choose from. So we're going to use our training customer, select that, and it populates in our window. Then we'll select our equipment. Again, you can start typing. You can show more results if you need to. And then they show up here. Also on these screens, whenever you start typing in your search window, if you click right here, notice at the bottom you can add new equipment there. We could have also done the same thing with our customer name. So I'll select a test grossing station. So on our customer name, when we type that in, if that customer was not there, well, go ahead and delete that out. I'll show you how to do it. More results. You can click here, and we can add a new customer account if we would like. Now, customer contact. So for the customer we just put in, our contact here will give us an option to choose, and we're going to choose our owner, Mr. Herman Munster. Then we have a document type that's either internal or customer. We'll keep that as customer. And then for material, it's going to give us the model that we're dealing with. So let's do a search. Again, we can add new material in this window if we'd like, as we're doing this search. I'm just going to choose anything here in the list as an option. Then we can assign our owner. I think Nick is the lucky one today. So you see his name automatically populates, or I can go to search more or show more. If you do that, then you need to select here on the left that you've selected this technician, and then you prove your selection at the bottom right corner. Physical address where you don't need to add. Our service type, today we're going to put this in as a preventative maintenance. You can see that automatically comes up when we start typing. Populate that into our list. And for the service time and date, I'm going to hover over this so you can see it. If it's a planned service, you can put the date that the service is planned or scheduled, or if it's a just random occurrence, you can put the initial date that the service ticket is opened. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put in today's date. For the stage, we can select whether it's in queue, assigned, scheduled. So right now I'm just going to put in queue. And unit status can either be up, down, or limited. We're going to say that this one is limited and that the service is not planned. And finally, you can add any other notes that you would like. And then for your subject, which is a required field, we'll say that maintenance was needed, and all right, then you put in your final notes. And then once we are complete, you can hit save. Once that saves, it'll bring you to the next screen, which is going to show all of our information that was just captured. Our details here, we have all the information we put in on our service ticket. If we go back to our service management home, on your home you have mine, which is things that you've recently searched or that you've tagged into your dashboard, or you can select all, which shows a cumulative total. So I hope that helps. Just want to make a quick video and see if we could do a little bit of training. Maybe that'll help you as you go through the process, and hope you have a good day.